Hey guys, it's Patti Allred here. In my last video, I actually talked about the things that you would need to make money online, like your phone, different things. So if you missed that video, I'll post it in the description below and you can go watch it. It's a short video just giving you some basic things that you'll need to get started working online. There are lots and lots of make money from home programs, but seriously, very few that actually work. I know, shocker, right? There are different types of programs. There are programs that, not everyone will fit in each program that is available. And that's okay, because if everybody fit in the same one, it, wouldn't work. Anyway, what you need to do is find the one that works for you, and I talk about that a little bit in the video before this one. I think one of the biggest things out there is probably network marketing, MLM, and right now it's booming, but it has also taken a hit because a lot of them, the home business party plans, have meetings, events, vendor events, different ways that you get out there and promote your business and products. And, it's belly to belly. So that's been shut down, not happening now, or not supposed to be happening now. So I think it's really opened up our eyes to a lot of things. So I have never been one that just thought about having one income. I'd like to have a couple, 2 to 3, maybe 4 different income streams coming in. And yeah, I do believe that everyone should have that, because what if your one and only income source was cut off? Kind of like what just happened to a lot of people. It's been crazy. So having more than one stream of income would be a great thing for everybody. Have something to fall back on. So yeah, I do believe in multiple streams of income, and one of them is called affiliate marketing. And I'm not sure that if you know what that is. And what I'm going to do is just basically it's selling someone else's product, and you make a commission off of it. And there are several different programs out there that you can do. And some of them take more time than others. You got to do your research on anything that you do. But I'm going to put in the description below a couple of affiliate marketing programs that are really working, and top-notch people that are running it. So all I can tell you to do is, click on it, watch the videos, see the information about it, see if it is for you. Be sure to click subscribe, because I'm going to be coming out. I've got a list of them that I'm going to be bringing out. I just didn't want to put them all out all at one time to confuse everybody. But just keep checking back. I'm going to be putting up 2 to 3 videos a week. And click subscribe, hit the bell. That way you'll be notified when I get new information out there. Share the video if it's something that, if you know somebody that would be interested in this. And remember, I say what I put down in my description below for you to check out may or may not be for you, but that's up to you. I can't tell you that what I'm doing is going to work for you, and vice versa. But what I can tell you is what I put in the description. It's something that works, so you can check it out. Now, the next video that I'll be doing will be going over a couple of other programs out there. One of the things that I like to do is something that I can do and nobody even know who it is. It's just in the background, because that way, hey, if I get up and I don't want to get dressed, or don't want to put my headband on, want to have corona hair and don't care, I could still make money. So I'm going to be bringing all this stuff out there to you. But remember, wash your hands, stay away from people, stay well. I love you guys, and check back, hit subscribe, but most of all, make it a great day, and I will talk to you soon.